One of the coolest things about racing three-wheelers is it brings back some of the old vintage guys that used to actually race three-wheelers for the factory bikes. Yep, Mr. Lenny Lewis here, the first person we had in this picture was, right there, he is, or was, Team Kawasaki. He still has his 1987 T3 that he raced back in the day before they made them race quads. Yep, there was a transition era where they had three-wheelers and quads, and three-wheelers just faded out because of the ban. Factories turned around, produced the quads, everybody jumped over, and that was the end of it. No more three-wheeler racing. 30 years later, we're back on the motocross track. I know guys up north, they had racing up there. We didn't have it down here, though. So, Robert and I got the club together. We got lucky enough to get with Sunshine State and turned around and opened up a whole bunch of motocross tracks for us. And here we are, many, many years later, still racing in Florida. Now we're doing flat track, TT, and motocross. Quite a few different series that you can chase around. If you like this kind of content, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, throw a comment down there. Tell me what you think about us crazy old fools running around on a motocross track and vintage trikes. Nowadays, we're actually doing modern dirt bike conversions into three-wheelers, so 450s and stuff are hitting the tracks. Yeah, man, awesome, awesome stuff. If you haven't seen my KX 450 build or the KTM Supermoto 450 that Tony's been racing, flip through the channel. There's some awesome videos on it for sure.